How to see who viewed my Instagram video. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we'll guide you through on how we can see who viewed our Instagram video. So let's go on to the process on how we can see that. But for that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bells to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to look up the videos that you posted and see who has viewed that profile or your video, you're just going to head over to your profile at the bottom right. After that, go to the profile section and you may just go on with the process of turning on your professional account first. You may just tap on a three horizontal line at the top right and go on with the process of turning your account into a professional account. For that, you may just go and look for the option called account type in tool here for professionals and switch your account to a professional account. Tap on next. After that, go on with the process of turning your account into a professional account. After that is done, just wait for it to finish creating a professional account first and go on with the process. And after this process is completed, there will be appearing a professional dashboard on the screen. So you may just go ahead and look for it there. So there, as you can see, I have a professional dashboard on my screen. So when you click on this dashboard, you will be finding different options here, including the views here. So you may directly go to the view section and look up for who has viewed your content here. Or what you can do is just head over to the videos, the reels that you posted. So here on my reel, I have posted this. So in order to view the insights of this post, you're just gonna go ahead and tap on view insights and you can find this much person has viewed. Like there are 10 views here available. So here are 10 views available on my reels. So unfortunately we can't see the followers, like which people has liked or viewed my reel, but what you can do is look up for the likes instead here. So if that person who has viewed a reel have liked your video, you can find this option called like by. When you click on it, you'll be able to find the like here. Like here, this person has viewed my account and this reel, as well as this person has liked my reel. So that's only the method right now we have available in Instagram that allows us to know which viewer has viewed our Instagram reel. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.